we're making a breakfast burrito for one. A lot of people have asked that. Single. If you're going to make one for two, obviously you make one bigger or you double the recipe up over here. You always want to start with a hot pan before you put anything in there, unless you're rendering off fat of bacon or beef or tallow or anything else. We have a combination of ground sausage and ground beef, about 2 ounces. We have green peppers and onions. We have chopped up potatoes already. These have already been cooked and diced up into pieces. Have about 3 ounces of cheese, cracked ground pepper, garlic and salt, a little bit of taco seasoning. This is my own mixture, but you can use a package, and sour cream, and our egg. Okay, our pan's hot. Very simple recipe anybody can do. Start off, oil in the pan, and our 10-inch flour tortilla. Cook that off in there. This recipe will go very fast. This is a meal for one, and I think you'll enjoy it. Turn it over, push the air pockets out, and let it go. If you like, a lot of times I'll season the outer crust, a little bit of garlic there, a little bit of Mexican seasoning. Now this is ready to take off. Beat our egg up. We're only using 1 egg. This is going to be very inexpensive. While we're beating the egg up, put our hamburger meat, our ground sausage, our green peppers and onions, and our potatoes in there. Add a little bit more oil. Turn the burner back on. Medium to low heat. Going to be plenty of food for one person, or you can feed two if you add something to it. Add cottage cheese to it, add a salad to it, add a mixed vegetable. As this is cooking up, we're going to add a little bit of oil and put our egg in. This goes very fast. Turn the fire off once again. And let's come back and we'll add our chili seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of granulated garlic, and cracked black pepper. The flavor is intense, it's magnifying, it's cooking in the pan. Very simply, come back, put our filling in the tortilla. Now it's time to add the cheese. You don't want to add the cheese while it's cooking because it will burn in there. Fold your tortilla over. Very simple. Press it down. Your sauce goes on top. You may want to heat the sauce, you may not. I didn't heat it. Love the Mateo. And that's it. Breakfast for one. Very simple, very easy, very quick. Anybody can do this. Let's come back and try this thing and see how it is. Hang on. Well, how is that for a quick breakfast, lunch, or late night snack for one person? We'll dress this up with a little parsley. Little habaneros. Always have to have my habaneros. Using my fingers on this because you have more control when you use your fingers. Add some chips. This is a great meal for one person, whether it be breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a late night snack. You've got to try this. This thing smells really good. Let's see. Here we go. Very big bite. Bear with me. Almost forgot. Need to add our sour cream. Dress it up. Decorate it out. And we'll try a bite with sour cream. Not such a big bite. That was silly. Get some habaneros. Get some of that ground beef, ground sausage, potatoes. That bite was much better than the first when you had everything in there. All right, this is going to wrap it up here. Remember, cooking for one, very fast, very quick, very efficient. We have your protein with the sausage and the ground beef. We have your starch with the flour tortilla. And then we also added potatoes and corn chips over here. We have the plant, green peppers and the onions, and we have the fat. Fat's in the meat, fat's also in the frying utensil. Keep those in mind. Those equal a perfectly balanced meal. I'll leave in the comment direction. I'll leave in the description why these things are so important and what they mean. In the meantime, if you like this video, please subscribe, share it, and give me a like and a thumbs up. In the meantime, we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. I'll see you later. I'm going to eat. Bye.